Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today, we're diving into a topic that might sound a little confusing at first, but it's super important if you're thinking about buying a home. We're going to explore the concept of a balloon mortgage. So, what exactly is a balloon mortgage? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it is, how it works, and whether it might be the right choice for you. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of a mortgage that requires small payments for a few years and then suddenly demands a hefty lump sum payment? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? That's the essence of a balloon mortgage. So, let's break it down. A balloon mortgage is a type of home loan that requires you to make small monthly payments for a set period, typically 5 to 7 years, and then, at the end of that period, you have to pay off the remaining balance in one big lump sum. This final payment is known as the balloon payment, hence the name. Now, why would someone choose a balloon mortgage? Well, there are a few reasons. One of the main attractions of a balloon mortgage is that your monthly payments are generally much lower compared to a traditional fixed-rate mortgage. This can be appealing for first-time homebuyers or those trying to keep their initial expenses down. For example, let's say you take out a balloon mortgage for $300,000 with a 5% interest rate. Instead of paying around $1,600 a month for a 30-year fixed mortgage, you might only pay about $1,200 a month for the first 5 years. That's a significant saving at the beginning. Many homeowners see balloon mortgages as a short-term solution. The idea is that when the balloon payment comes due, you can either refinance your mortgage or sell the property. If you're confident that your home's value will increase, you might plan to sell it before that balloon payment is due. For instance, if you bought a home in a growing neighborhood that's expected to appreciate, you could sell it after a few years and avoid the balloon payment altogether. Investors often use balloon mortgages to capitalize on cash flow. By keeping initial payments low, they can use the extra cash to invest in other opportunities, whether that's another property, stocks, or starting a business. However, this strategy comes with risks. If their investment doesn't pan out, they might struggle to make that big balloon payment. However, it's important to understand the risks involved with balloon mortgages. The most obvious risk is that when the balloon payment comes due, you might not have the funds readily available. If your financial situation changes, like losing a job or unexpected expenses, you could end up in a difficult spot. Another risk is that when you attempt to refinance, interest rates might have gone up, or you may not qualify for a new loan based on your financial situation at that time. This could leave you scrambling for funds or facing foreclosure. If the housing market takes a downturn, you might find that your home's value has decreased, making it harder to sell or refinance. This can lead to having less equity and potentially losing money. To illustrate, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you took out a balloon mortgage of $200,000 with a 4% interest rate for a 7-year term. Your monthly payments would be around $1,000 for those first 7 years. When the balloon payment of approximately $190,000 comes due, you might find yourself in a tight spot if your home's value has dropped to $180,000. You'd either need to find a way to come up with that extra $10,000 or face the possibility of losing your home. According to a survey by the National Association of Realtors, only about 20% of homeowners understand the concept of a balloon mortgage. This highlights the importance of doing your research and fully understanding any mortgage option you're considering. So, to sum it all up, a balloon mortgage can be an attractive option for those looking for lower initial payments and potential investment opportunities. However, it comes with significant risks that you must weigh carefully. If you're considering a balloon mortgage, make sure to consult with a financial advisor or mortgage professional to see if it fits your financial situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content about home buying and personal finance. And don't forget to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy house hunting!